Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to use AI to predict FIFA World Cup 2026 matches. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply search for WC26AI.com, just like so. Then it will open this interface or this website. You just have to go and click on Explore Predictions. Then here it tells you exactly the tournament winner odds with percentages. You can even go and click on All Match Predictions, and it tells you exactly the match predictions for each match inside the World Cup FIFA 2026. Here you can see the results, the competitors, dates. You can even go here to compare and compare between different competitors or different football teams. You can even go and click on Explore Stats in order to show you the stats of each team inside the FIFA World Cup. You can go here and check the accuracy of the AI also. You can go here and check the stadiums that are hosting the matches. So you can go to predictions. Again, you can go to predictions and see here the percentage of each team, which team will win the tournament of the FIFA World Cup 2026 by percentage for each. And the good thing about this AI is that it can even predict the matches and how will it perform. So you can go here to tournament and you can check here all the knockout bracket. As you can see, this is how well it looks, and it says here that the winner is going to be France and Spain is going to be the third place. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.